we're gonna make paper airplanes. We've got markers so we can decorate them with. Colored pencils we could decorate them with. And this kid, she's gonna do it all. Well, not all of it, so I'm gonna show her how first. Okay, paper airplane is made by folding paper. Okay, so watch. You don't need that yet. So first we're gonna fold the paper in half up top. Watch what I'm doing, sis. If you don't watch, I'm not doing it. Okay. So we fold it. Okay. Then I'm gonna fold it in half again, and now I'm gonna slide my finger down there. Then I'm gonna fold it in half again. So see, it's starting to kind of look like an airplane. Then we're gonna fold it in half again. After that, now we have to make wings. So right now, this is our airplane, but we don't have any wings, so it can't fly. It needs something to pick up the wind when we throw it. So we're gonna fold this wing down. So see, we've made one wing. Flip it over. Do the same thing. You wanna make sure it's even because this will help it fly. Okay, before we fly it, we're gonna decorate it.
Okay.
Okay? So these are the wings. Look, this is how it's gonna fly.
Okay.
Okay, so here's our paper airplane. However you wanna decorate it, and I'll make a couple more airplanes.
Okay.
We'll make big ones and we'll make small ones.